Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to get a student discount on Nike app so you can save on your next purchase. Let's get started. Step 1 is to sign in or create a Nike account. Open the Nike app on your phone and tap on the profile icon and log in. If you don't have an account, sign up for free with your email. Step 2 is to verify your student status. Open your browser and go to the Nike student discount page at nike.com. Click on Verify Now to start the process. You'll be redirected to the Share ID, Nike's verification service. Enter your name, school, and student email address, then submit your request. Once verified, you'll receive a unique promo code via email. Step 3 is to apply the student discount in the Nike app. Open the Nike app and add your desired items to your cart. Proceed to checkout. If the promo code section, enter the student discount code you receive. Tap Apply, and your discount will be deducted from the total price. That's it. You've successfully used the Nike student discount to save on your purchase. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next video. Thank you for watching.